What is the meaning of Rose of Sharon? The Rose of Sharon is not truly a rose. It is a member of the Hibiscus family, according to the U.S. Forest Service. The hibiscus flower traditionally represents delicate beauty. Biblical reference. In the Bible, the Rose of Sharon symbolizes beauty, and it is used in the Book of Song of Solomon to describe the beauty of King Solomon's lover. Biblical significance. Jesus Christ is called the Rose of Sharon in Christian works because of the similarities between the plant and Christ. Description. The Rose of Sharon is a flowering bush or shrub known for its large blooms. It can be pruned into the shape of a tree. The most popular colors of Rose of Sharon are shades of pink, white and blue. This shrub can grow up to 12 feet tall and 10 feet wide. Care. Rose of Sharon bushes bloom on new wood, and should be pruned in the early spring. The National Gardening Association suggests leaving only 2 to 3 buds per branch to encourage the growth of larger flowers. Habitat. Rose of Sharon thrives best in hardiness zones 5B through 9A, where temperatures do not normally go below 20 F.